Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M5, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using just a home screen for this, which is already open. So once your content is open and visible for you, all you would need to do is press power key and volume down at the same time. Hold it for a second or two, and you will get this pop-up right here with two options: to either capture a scrollable screenshot, which on home screen is not accessible, and to send it or otherwise share the screenshot. Now when it comes down to the scrollable screenshot, select agree. I'm not sure why it opened it up. You can access it when you can scroll content like this, for example. So doing that again, and tap on it, and it will start scrolling it. So I can tap on it to stop it from scrolling, grab it myself, scroll down a little bit further and more precisely myself, then click on done, checkbox, and this will save the longer version of a screenshot, which we can then find in our gallery application. So it will be visible in the photos, so you can see there are the two screenshots, or you can also find it in albums under screenshots and screen recordings. So there's the long settings screenshot, and then here we have just a normal home screen that I have captured. So anyway, this is how you'd capture screenshots on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.